Hello everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of avocados. Often mistaken for a vegetable, this creamy, delicious fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. From boosting heart health to enhancing your skin, avocados offer a wide array of advantages. Stay tuned to find out why avocados should be a part of your diet. Avocados are bursting with essential vitamins our bodies crave. First up, we have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. You know, antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells against damage, right? Well, avocados have got you covered. They also provide a good dose of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that supports healthy skin and eyes. And let's not forget about vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and maintaining strong bones. Ever get a paper cut? Thank vitamin K for helping to stop the bleeding. Avocados are also a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain function and metabolism. Think of your metabolism as the engine of your body, converting food into energy. B vitamins help keep that engine running smoothly. With this impressive vitamin profile, it's no wonder avocados are considered a nutritional superstar. But hold on, we're just getting started. Stick around as we uncover even more reasons to add this versatile fruit to your plate. Up next, we'll explore how avocados can benefit your heart health. You won't want to miss it. Let's talk about heart health, something I'm super passionate about. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, often considered the good fats. These healthy fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Think of cholesterol like traffic in your arteries. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, is like a traffic jam, clogging things up. Good cholesterol, or HDL, acts like a tow truck, clearing out those blockages. Avocados help increase the tow trucks and reduce the traffic jams, keeping your arteries clear and your heart happy. But that's not all. Avocados also contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. Think of potassium as a pressure valve, releasing excess pressure in your blood vessels. Avocados provide a good dose of this essential mineral, helping to keep your blood pressure at a healthy level. So, by incorporating avocados into your diet, you're giving your heart a fighting chance. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Stay tuned as we delve into the digestive benefits of this amazing fruit. Ever feel weighed down and sluggish after a meal? Avocados can help. They're a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. Think of fiber as a broom for your gut, sweeping away waste and keeping things moving smoothly. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps soften stool and prevent constipation. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity. Avocados provide a good balance of both types of fiber, ensuring your digestive system runs like a well-oiled machine. But that's not all. Avocados also contain natural compounds that can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. So if you're prone to digestive discomfort, adding avocados to your diet might be just what the doctor ordered. Remember, a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore how avocados can benefit your vision. We all know the importance of good vision, and avocados can play a role in maintaining those precious peepers. They contain two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are concentrated in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as internal sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light emitted from electronic devices and the sun. These antioxidants help filter out harmful rays, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Incorporating avocados into your diet is like giving your eyes a daily dose of protection. By including avocados in your diet, you're investing in long-term eye health and preserving your precious vision. Remember, prevention is key. Stay tuned as we uncover the beauty secrets of avocados and how they can enhance your skin health. Want healthy, glowing skin? Avocados can help with that too. They're packed with vitamins C and E, both powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They're not just good for your cells and eyes, they're amazing for your skin too. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, the protein that gives your skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin together, keeping it firm and wrinkle-free. Vitamin E, on the other hand, helps protect your skin from sun damage and environmental stressors. It acts like a shield, deflecting harmful UV rays and preventing premature aging. Avocados also contain healthy fats that help moisturize your skin from the inside out. These fats help maintain the integrity of your skin's natural barrier, keeping it hydrated and supple. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your complexion, look no further than the humble avocado. Stay tuned as we explore how avocados can assist in weight management. Trying to manage your weight? Avocados can be your new best friend. Despite their calorie content, avocados can actually aid in weight management due to their fiber and healthy fat content. Fiber, as we discussed earlier, helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This feeling of satiety can prevent overeating and help you stay within your calorie goals. Healthy fats also contribute to satiety and slow down digestion, further enhancing that feeling of fullness. Avocados also contain a unique type of fiber called resistant starch, which acts like prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved metabolism and weight management. So, while avocados are calorie-dense, their nutrient profile and ability to promote satiety make them a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Stay tuned as we uncover how avocados can help regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and avocados can lend a helping hand. Despite their carbohydrate content, avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This is because the healthy fats and fiber in avocados slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels on an even keel. Avocados also contain monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body use glucose for energy. When your body becomes insulin resistant, it can't use insulin effectively, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Avocados help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more efficiently and regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Incorporating avocados into your diet can be a delicious way to support healthy blood sugar management. Stay tuned as we explore how avocados can benefit bone health. Strong bones are essential for a healthy and active life, and avocados can play a role in maintaining bone density. They're a good source of vitamin K, a nutrient that's often overlooked but plays a vital role in bone health. Vitamin K helps your body produce osteocalcin, a protein that's essential for bone formation and mineralization. Think of osteocalcin as the glue that binds calcium to your bones, making them strong and resilient. Avocados also contain magnesium, another mineral that's crucial for bone health. Magnesium helps regulate calcium absorption and plays a role in bone formation and remodeling. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to build and maintain strong, healthy bones. Remember, bone health is important at every age. Stay tuned as we uncover the surprising link between avocados and mental health. Did you know that avocados can also benefit your mental health? It's true. Avocados are a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in mood regulation and cognitive function. Folate helps your body produce neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are essential for mood, sleep, and concentration. Low levels of folate have been linked to depression and cognitive decline. Avocados also contain healthy fats, which are essential for brain health. Your brain is about 60% fat, and it needs a steady supply of healthy fats to function optimally. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help improve blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function and mood. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your mood and support your brain health, adding avocados to your diet is a great place to start. Remember, a healthy mind and body go hand in hand. Now let's recap all the amazing benefits of avocados. As we've seen, avocados are not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. From boosting heart health and aiding digestion to enhancing skin health and supporting mental well-being, avocados are a true superfruit. Incorporating this versatile fruit into your diet is a delicious and easy way to nourish your body from the inside out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can discover the wonders of avocados. Stay healthy and